Hey, Milo, you ready to do some book learning?
God hates me.
Okay, children, coloring time is almost over. How are we doing, Milo?
I have to poop.
Not until potty time.
You may control my mind, but you'll never control my ass.
Looks like somebody needs a night-night nugget.
Oh.